Hey everybody, we're getting ready for a boat tour. I've got the passes. In a few minutes, we're gonna walk down here and then we're gonna get on that tram and take a boat ride. Well, should be a good time. Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome. Thank you. Welcome. Good morning.
Hey, what do you say? We're speeding up here and it feels great.
That was fun.